How to fix Roblox low memory. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, check device compatibility. You will regularly encounter the low memory warning on Roblox if your device is not fully compatible with the game. An iPhone 5S, iPad Air, iPad Mini 2 or later is required to play Roblox. Also, launch the Settings application on your device and then tap on General and then on Software Update. It's worth updating your iPhone if you have not already to avoid iOS-related bugs from causing the low memory warning. Now, close unnecessary background apps. Another way to fix the Roblox low memory warning is to close any unnecessary apps running in the background. Apps running in the background can constantly use device memory, leaving foreground apps like Roblox with limited memory. This is especially common on older iPhones, such as iPhone 5S, iPhone 6, and iPhone 6 Plus, which have only 1 GB of RAM. Next, if closing unnecessary apps in the background does not help, you can reduce the game's graphics quality to resolve the Roblox low memory issue. To do this, open Roblox game that's causing the issue and tap the Roblox icon in the top left corner. Then, switch to the Settings tab and change the graphics mode to manual and then tap on the minus icon next to the graphics quality option to lower the visual fidelity. After that, tap on the X icon in the top left corner and restart the game. So this is how you can fix Roblox low memory. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.